Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, sir. Thursday morning. We got one pick, one drop right now. Got to grab something in Davie, Florida, and then we going 100 miles northwest. We going to Okeechobee, Florida, right outside of Palm Beach, just west, way west. So we got that going right now. About to go get loaded up with that. It's a partial. I want to say it's not. I think it might be like 4 pallets or something like that. But about to go grab that and then see what we can do after that. So, you know, I'm just tapping in with y'all, letting y'all know what's going on. About to get my truck out here, did my pre-trip, and then we about to hit the road, man. Y'all be cool. We out here, we at a construction site. Gotta go grab this shit. We out here in the truck at a construction site out here in Davie, actually. Picking up a couple pallets, picking up some batteries. Get to it. Got 3 of these as batteries, 3 of those little pallets. Big head ass little boy trying to get on the camera. Damn, bro. This man, my grandma could have did this shit faster than this man. Yes, sir. We on the road now. We on 595, about to hit the 27. Got about 100-mile run, and then we're gonna see what we can do from there. I'm about to jump on the load board now, see if I can line up something for after I pick up this, drop this shit off. We're going to a construction site, so at least I ain't got to worry about a whole bunch of other trucks and other deliveries and shit like that. So should be pretty smooth. But that's about it, man. I'm just letting y'all know what the word is. Hope everybody doing all right, getting to the money, staying safe out here on the road. And I'm going to get with you in a minute when we get down there, let you know the updates, man. Be cool. Offloaded, 1 down, 2 to go. In the middle of fucking nowhere, man. This shit crazy. When I leave here, I'm gonna show y'all the fucking dirt road I rode down for at least 10 minutes. Thought these motherfuckers was trying to kill me and dump me in the water. This shit crazy. out of here. Last pallet, y'all.